Welcome to the Bitcoin Crypto Daily News podcast for November 17th, 2025. Today, a major shakeup in institutional investment, a billion-dollar outflow challenge for Bitcoin ETFs, and Japan signals sweeping crypto reforms. Let's dive in. First up, Harvard University's endowment fund has made its boldest move in the public markets yet. According to new SEC filings, Harvard increased its stake in BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust to 6,800,000 shares, now worth around $364 million. That makes Bitcoin Harvard's largest public holding, bigger than Microsoft or Amazon, at a time when Bitcoin's price remains stuck under $100,000. This signals the growing trust major institutions are placing in Bitcoin as a store of value and an alternative to traditional assets. For crypto investors, Harvard's long horizon approach reinforces the sense that Bitcoin is maturing as an institutional asset, even though its allocation is still less than 1% of Harvard's massive $57 billion endowment. On to Bitcoin ETF turbulence. U.S. Bitcoin exchange-traded funds saw net outflows of over $1.1 billion last week, continuing a bearish trend dragging Bitcoin under the psychological $100,000 mark. BlackRock's IBIT ETF led withdrawals with $463 million in outflows on Friday alone, as the combined sector felt the pressure of waning demand. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust followed with over $25 million in negative flows. As spot ETF demand falters, Bitcoin's price hovers around $95,500, down about 7% for the week. For those watching the charts, ETF flows remain a closely watched signal for momentum shifts. Further outflows could bring continued volatility, while a turnaround might reignite bullish sentiment. Finally, a regulatory shift in Asia. Japan's Financial Services Agency is proposing to classify digital assets like Bitcoin and Ether as financial products, placing them under stricter disclosure and insider trading rules. Most notably for investors, the agency aims to cap crypto capital gains tax at 20%, down from rates that now reach 55%. If approved, these changes could usher in more transparent, regulated, and investor-friendly conditions for Japanese traders and institutions, boosting adoption and potentially setting a regulatory example for other major economies. To recap, Harvard bets big on Bitcoin. U.S. Bitcoin ETFs face billion-dollar outflows as prices struggle under 100,000, and Japan moves toward fairer crypto taxes and transparency. For more analysis and daily updates, subscribe to our show and visit our blog at silklogic.ai. Thanks for tuning in to the Bitcoin Crypto Daily News podcast.